Here I create a generator. Define GDZ, column, print D1 yield Sunday, print D2 yield Monday, print D3 yield Tuesday. The next thing I do is I make a small copy of that, put it on the side so we can see what we're doing. And I say, here's a variable DW. Make that equal to GDZ. Next thing I do, I key in next DW. And the system prints out D1, runs into the statement yield sun for Sunday, and that gets placed onto the screen. And then it stops and gives me the prompt again. D1 is day 1, so day 1 is Sunday. The next thing that happens, in next DW, and the system remembers what it did before and continues on. Prints day 2, yields Monday, and stops right after the yield statement. Then what happens? I key in next DW, and it does the rest of the commands. Print D3, day 3, hits the next yield, which is Tuesday, returns that, and that's it. If I key in next DW again, I'm going to get an error because I don't have anything else in this generator function. Now I'm going to define a function called CGX. That's going to call the GX function. I don't have a GX function yet, but I'm going to have one soon. So I'm going to define call GX. A is equal to a list, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. For each X in A, I don't put A, I put hand A to the GX function, which I'm going to define here in a second. For each X in, go call the GX function, pass it A. Whatever it returns, put that here. And then X will be pointing to that. Because if I just say for X in A, X is pointing to Sunday, then Monday, then Tuesday. But if I key in X for each X in, and I call GX and I pass it A, whatever GX returns back to me, that is what X will be pointing to. And that is what will get printed out. Alright, so let's go make GX. I define a function called GX, and it's going to accept whatever I pass it, which in this case is A, the list, sticks it into A2. Now, for each Y in A2, do the following. Yield Y. So it's going to get Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. For each Y in A2, first Y is pointing to Sunday, it yields back the Y, which is Sunday, comes back, replaces GX with Sunday, and then prints it out. One more time. It takes Y, it goes over here to GX, to the calling location, GX, with A as a parameter, and it replaces that GXA with Y, which is Sunday. And then X, which was pointing to whatever return value was here, whatever the return value is now pointing to Sunday. Now it's going to print out whatever is in X, and X is pointing to Sunday, it's going to print out Sunday. And then it's going to loop back up here and call GX again. Only this time, because of the yield, this generator function remembers what it was pointing to last time, and now it's going to be pointing to Monday, and it's going to yield back Monday. X will be pointing to Monday, and it prints out Monday. And it loops back up here, calls GX again, passes it A, but this is yield over here, and this is generator function. It's going to remember that it's got to do the last one now. That's automatic. And now it's going to yield, Y will be pointing to Tuesday. It's going to yield back a Y. GX gets substituted here with Tuesday. X is pointing to Tuesday. print X, Tuesday gets printed out. That's what's going to happen. Let's call CGX, this guy up here, and get this going and see if it works. And boom. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It worked fine. And this is George Boole. Please share and rate this video, and good luck.